Welcome to our guide on using AI to generate real-time subtitles for live events. In today's fast-paced world, accessibility and engagement are crucial, and live subtitles can make events more inclusive for everyone. Whether you're hosting a conference, concert, or webinar, AI-powered captioning ensures that your audience can follow along, regardless of language or hearing ability. Let's explore how this technology works and how you can implement it for your next event. Real-time subtitles are more than just a convenience, they're a necessity for many. They help break down language barriers, support those with hearing impairments, and enhance audience engagement. With AI, subtitles can be generated instantly, keeping pace with speakers and ensuring no one misses important information. This technology transforms live events into accessible experiences for all participants. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way we handle speech recognition and translation. Modern AI models can transcribe spoken words into text with remarkable accuracy, even in noisy environments. These systems use deep learning algorithms trained on vast datasets, allowing them to recognize accents, dialects, and multiple languages. This makes AI the perfect tool for generating real-time subtitles during live events. The core of real-time subtitle generation is the speech-to-text process. AI listens to the audio feed from the event, processes it, and converts it into written text almost instantly. This involves several steps: capturing audio, analyzing sound patterns, and mapping them to words. The result is a seamless stream of subtitles that appear as the speaker talks, keeping the audience engaged and informed. There are several AI platforms available for real-time subtitle generation, each with unique features. Popular options include Google Speech-to-Text, Microsoft Azure Speech Services, and IBM Watson. When selecting a platform, consider factors like language support, accuracy, latency, and integration capabilities. The right choice depends on your event's requirements and technical setup. To generate accurate subtitles, you need a reliable audio capture setup. Use high-quality microphones positioned close to speakers to minimize background noise. Connect the audio feed directly to your AI platform, ensuring clear input for processing. Proper audio capture is the foundation of effective real-time subtitle generation. Most live events use specialized software for streaming and audience interaction. Integrating your AI subtitle platform with these tools is essential. Many platforms offer APIs or plugins that connect seamlessly with popular event software, allowing subtitles to appear directly on live streams or event screens. This integration enhances the attendee experience and ensures smooth operation. AI platforms can support multiple languages, making your event accessible to a global audience. Configure your system to recognize and transcribe different languages, or even translate subtitles in real time. This feature is invaluable for international events, ensuring everyone can follow along regardless of their native language. One of the main challenges in real-time subtitle generation is balancing latency and accuracy. AI must process speech quickly without sacrificing quality. Advanced models use predictive algorithms and context analysis to minimize delays and correct errors. Regular testing and calibration help maintain optimal performance during live events. Subtitles should be easy to read and visually appealing. Customize font size, color, background, and placement to match your event's branding and audience needs. Most AI platforms allow you to adjust these settings, ensuring subtitles are both functional and stylish. Always test your AI subtitle system before the event begins. Run through typical scenarios, check for accuracy, and ensure integration works smoothly. Testing helps identify potential issues and allows you to make adjustments, guaranteeing a flawless experience for your audience. During the event, monitor subtitle performance in real time. Assign staff to oversee the system, making adjustments as needed. If errors occur or speakers change, quick intervention ensures subtitles remain accurate and relevant. Live monitoring is key to maintaining high-quality captions. Gather feedback from your audience about the subtitle experience. Ask about readability, accuracy, and overall satisfaction. Use this input to refine your setup for future events, ensuring continuous improvement and greater accessibility. When using AI for live subtitles, consider privacy and security. Ensure audio feeds and transcriptions are handled securely, especially if sensitive information is discussed. Choose platforms with robust security features and comply with relevant regulations to protect your audience and event data. AI-generated subtitles greatly enhance accessibility for people with hearing impairments and those who speak different languages. By providing real-time captions, you ensure everyone can participate fully in your event. This commitment to inclusivity reflects positively on your organization and broadens your audience. Implementing AI subtitles involves some costs, including platform fees, hardware, and staff training. Plan your budget carefully, considering both initial setup and ongoing expenses. Investing in quality tools and training pays off with smoother events and better audience satisfaction. Staff training is essential for successful AI subtitle deployment. Teach your team how to operate the system, troubleshoot issues, and make real-time adjustments. Well-trained staff ensure your event runs smoothly and subtitles remain accurate throughout. Technical issues can arise during live events, from audio glitches to software errors. Prepare backup systems and have technical support on standby. Quick response to problems ensures subtitles stay on track and the audience remains engaged. After the event, review subtitle performance and audience feedback. Analyze data to identify strengths and areas for improvement. Use these insights to enhance future events, making your AI subtitle system even more effective. Ensure your AI subtitle system complies with relevant laws and regulations, especially regarding accessibility and privacy. Familiarize yourself with standards like ADA or GDPR and choose platforms that support compliance. Legal diligence protects your organization and audience. AI subtitle technology is evolving rapidly. Future trends include improved accuracy, faster processing, and enhanced multilingual support. Innovations like emotion detection and speaker identification are on the horizon, promising even richer event experiences. Let's look at a real-world example. At a recent international conference, organizers used AI to generate real-time subtitles in multiple languages. Attendees reported higher satisfaction and engagement, and the event reached a broader audience thanks to accessible captions. At a live concert, AI subtitles made lyrics and announcements accessible to all attendees. The system handled multiple speakers and background music, providing accurate captions throughout the show. This enhanced the concert experience for everyone, especially those with hearing challenges. Webinars often attract global audiences. Using AI subtitles, organizers provided real-time captions and translations, making content accessible to viewers worldwide. This not only improved engagement, but also expanded the reach of the webinar. AI subtitles contribute significantly to user experience. Attendees can follow discussions, ask questions, and participate fully, regardless of language or hearing ability. This fosters a sense of inclusion and makes events more memorable. Despite their advantages, AI subtitles have limitations. Accents, rapid speech, and technical jargon can challenge accuracy. Background noise and overlapping speakers may cause errors. Understanding these limitations helps you set realistic expectations and plan accordingly. To improve subtitle quality, use high-quality audio equipment, train your AI model with relevant data, and regularly update your system. Encourage speakers to use clear language and avoid overlapping conversations. Continuous improvement leads to better results and audience satisfaction. The workflow for AI subtitle generation involves several steps: capturing audio, processing speech, generating text, and displaying subtitles. Each step requires careful setup and monitoring to ensure accuracy and speed. Understanding this workflow helps you optimize your event's subtitle system. As you plan future events, incorporate lessons learned from previous experiences. Update your AI subtitle system, train staff, and invest in better equipment. Staying proactive ensures your events remain accessible and engaging for all attendees. In summary, AI-powered real-time subtitles are transforming live events. They enhance accessibility, engagement, and inclusivity, making your events more successful and memorable. By choosing the right platform, preparing thoroughly, and continuously improving, you can deliver outstanding experiences for all participants. Embrace AI subtitle technology and make your next event truly accessible.